In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Dictation in Gmail. Dictation is a great option when you want to write emails faster, reduce typing, or keep your hands free. On a computer, Gmail does not include a built-in dictation button in the message window, so you will use a Chrome extension that adds dictation directly into Gmail. Before you begin, make sure you are using the Google Chrome browser and that your computer has a working microphone. First, install a dictation extension for Gmail from the Chrome Web Store. One common option is called Dictation for Gmail. After it is installed, open Gmail and go to your inbox. If you are already signed in, you should land there automatically. Next, click the Compose button to open a new email draft. A message window will appear, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you will enter your recipient, your subject line, and your message. Now click into the draft where you want your dictated text to go. Start by clicking in the To field if you want to dictate an address, or click into the subject line if you want to speak the subject. Most people will want to click into the large message body area so dictation fills in the email content. The key is that the blinking cursor must be in the exact spot where you want the words to appear. Once your cursor is placed correctly, look near the Send button for a microphone icon added by the extension. Click that microphone icon to begin. The first time you use it, Chrome will ask for permission to access your microphone. Allow microphone access so the extension can hear you. Then speak clearly and at a steady pace. Your speech will be converted into text inside the email draft as you talk. For best results, reduce background noise, keep your microphone close, and pause briefly between sentences. If you notice an incorrect word, you can stop speaking and use your keyboard to make quick edits. When you are finished dictating, click the microphone icon again to stop. Review your email for accuracy, check names and numbers carefully, and add any final punctuation or formatting you need. From here, you can continue composing as normal and send when ready. That covers everything you need to know.